Learn English. Welcome to English 8K Vocabulary. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. Today is Thursday, February 20th. Here are the 2 words we will learn today. Number 1 is a place where you can dance and have fun. Number 2 means to do something with another person. Number 1, please listen and write this in your notebook. We will have a party. We will have a party. Party. A gathering with many people for fun. Now we can make a flashcard for party. 1 party. 2 parties. Please write party up here in the top left corner. P-A-R-T-Y. Down here in the bottom left corner, N1. This means noun, level 1. Over here, the number 125 out of 200. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Par. T. Party. What about you? Did you go to a party before? Tell me about it in the comments. Now, word number 2. Please listen and write this in your notebook. They walk together every day. They walk together every day. Together. They walk with each other. They don't walk alone. Now let's make a flashcard for together. There is another word too, all together. We will learn that in level 2. Please make a card like this. Up in the top left corner, to do something together. Down here in the bottom left corner, ADV 1. This means adverb, level 1. Over here, the number 36 out of 42. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. To. Gather. Together. Game over. That was fun. You did very well today. Bob and Jennifer will go to a party. Very good. They will not go there separately. They will go there together. Very good. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Number 1, please repeat, gum. Yeah, this is chewing gum, but also part of your mouth where your teeth are attached to your gum. Number 2 is a fish that people eat. Tuna. Very good. And the last one, before you eat a banana, you have to peel. Very good. With a P. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. $25 classes only per month. Please write your language on the other side of the card.